Gonna install a ream 2-ton system right here. These are old Gaffer and Sattler Magic Chef, probably 1978, I think. It's gonna get ugly. This is a down and dirty job, so it's going to get ugly. I'm gonna keep this disconnect box. I'm not peeling this box off the wall here. Forget that. Leak City. It's staying. But I'll let you see the finished product when it's done. It's not going to be pretty. It's not going to be pretty. Alright, I'm done with my hack job. This RA 14 3-ton. So just for a condominium complex. I'm not going to touch the disconnect the way it's mounted on the wall. I'm not changing anything. It is what it is. I'm just cleaning it up. If any of you guys are offended by this, you can hit that dislike button. I won't lose any sleep. But let me show you what else I got going on over here. These were, one was put in just yesterday, but this is a RA 16. Actually, the caps are loose on here. I'm gonna actually just help them out a little bit and tighten these things up. There's actually an oily film all over these line sets here. So I fix this for these guys. But this is what I'm dealing with here. This one was put in last week. Oh my God, pretty bad. Original Gaffers and Sattler. This one here is a York branded model. I think York. Look at the stuff we got going on up here. Nobody comes up on this roof. What a mess. Here's another one. Yikes. 410A. I think it's a complete mess, but two more original Gaffers units. This is a Goodman and another Gaffers, but it's ugly. This roof is ugly. It's hard to get up here. Just a big pain in the butt. But actually, I put all my liquid line dryers right at the indoor coil. I never, hardly ever, put them by the condensers. I don't want that to go into the expansion valve, but one last look. But there's your tour of my unit.